Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Do you have adventurous kids like mine? Then they will love this Anby Pogo ball. This ball is made of a hard, durable PVC plastic as well as a hard plastic board. Now underneath on the bottom, it's made of a grid. That way it stays nice and sturdy while they're on it. I will admit there is no way you would catch me trying to bounce around the house in this because I'm afraid to break my neck. However, my daughter loves it, kids have no fear, and I felt comfortable having her on it. It's great to release some energy, great for working and all of her body workout, and it also makes it a great solution for kids that are really fidgety. Put them on this for a little bit and they will completely be exhausted after. Again, it's made of a nice hard plastic. I tried it, as you can see, I weigh about 125 pounds and it holds me up no problem. It comes with a pump so you can go ahead and pump it up by yourself whenever you need to. If it starts feeling like it gets deflated, easy, comes in the box. You just put it together. Very simple, but it will definitely release a lot of that energy that only our kids have. But that's just my point of view.